Hello everyone, Jessica here, your Facebook advertising expert. And this week I'm going to explain the difference between a boosted post and a sponsored post. Now, a boosted post is when you create a Facebook post on your business page and a little blue button appears that says Boost Post. You click that button and Facebook gives you a few options on who wants to see the ad, where do you want to see the ad, and how much you want to spend. It's the easy way of spending money with Facebook. A sponsored ad is where you use Facebook's Ads Manager console. Now this is a separate platform where you can set up your Facebook ads. Yes, it is a lot more complicated, but the options and flexibility available to you far outweigh the benefits of using a boosted post. A boosted post, you can use your mobile phone. When you run sponsored ads through Ads Manager, unfortunately, you must use a laptop or a desktop computer. The good news is that regardless of whether you're boosting a post or running sponsored ads, to the end user, meaning the person flicking through their news feed, to the end user, they can't tell the difference as to whether you boosted a post or sponsored the ads. They can't tell, which is fantastic. And if we're running, comparing apples with apples, so the same ad set up with the boost button and the same ad set up in Ads Manager, they should cost you exactly the same. The difference is you have more control over who sees your ads, where your ads are seen, and how you spend your money in Ads Manager versus the boosted post. I hope this makes it more clear for you. Until next week, everyone.